So today we're gonna learn how you can replay photos that you already viewed on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I have my another account, and from that account I've sent a photo to this account, which is basically a one-time photo, as you can see. Now if I open that up, I cannot view it again. So how would you do that? Now the key here is that it all depends on the sender. Now it's his choice to send you the photo which you can view once, or in which you have the access of replay, or you can keep in the chat. So from here, if I go and click the picture, so you can see right here in the bottom left, we have the option allow replay. Now if I switch it to view once, then the receiver will able to view this photo only once, and if I choose allow replay, then he can easily replay the video. Now if I select keep in the chat, that picture will be kept in the chat forever. So let's choose keep in the chat. Now if I send here, you can see now he have the picture. Now he will get this picture on his chat, and whenever he want, he can easily view that. Now if I select allow replay, he will be able to replay this picture. Now moving towards, I'm going to switch my account, and if I open this up, you can see I can reopen this photo. So guys, this is basically how you can replay viewed photos on Instagram. So all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.